Hi, friends! Welcome to GroGrokids. Let's learn and have fun together. Splash, splash, here we go. Little shark says hello. Swish your fins and smile so bright. Welcome to the sea so light. Blue waves dancing all around. Happy bubbles make a sound. Every friend is here to play. What a lovely ocean day. Splash party, come and play. Swim together every day. Clap your fins, spin around. Joy and laughter all around. Bubble up and bubble down. Big smiles never wear a frown. Splash party, 1, 2, 3. Happy friends beneath the sea. Mommy shark swims smooth and slow, making tiny bubbles glow. Daddy shark splashes high, sending sparkles to the sky. Little shark twirls all around, dancing with a happy sound. Everyone joins hand in fin, let the ocean fun begin. Splash party, come and play. Swim together every day. Clap your fins, spin around. Joy and laughter all around. Bubble up and bubble down. Big smiles never wear a frown. Splash party, 1, 2, 3. Happy friends beneath the sea. Grandma shark brings shiny pearls, watching little bubbles swirl. Grandpa shark finds shells so bright, glowing softly in the light. Dolphin jumps with joyful cheer, making rainbows far and near. Rainbow fish swim left and right, everything feels warm and bright. Bubble, bubble, float away, let's enjoy this happy day. Swim together side by side on the sparkling ocean tide. Round and round we gently glide, sharing smiles both far and wide. Magic sparkles fill the sea, what a wonderful place to be. Tiny turtle starts a race, swimming with a happy face. Pink octopus starts to twirl, spinning in a bubbly whirl. Crab goes dancing side to side, Seahorse takes a gentle ride. Golden starfish shine so bright, lighting up the sea tonight. Splash party, sing along. Every heart is big and strong. Clap your fins, jump with glee, happy as can ever be. Bubble up and bubble down, ocean friends all gather round. Splash party forever stays, filling all our days with praise. Wave goodbye, don't be late. We'll be back, it's worth the wait. Splash, splash, laugh and play. See you on another day. Ocean friends.